Assalamu alaikum class. Today we'll start chapter number 8, linear equations, linear graph and their applications. So first topic is Cartesian plane and linear graph. Cartesian plane, first we'll understand about Cartesian plane. When we talk about Cartesian plane, firstly one thing should be in our mind, the order pair, because in Cartesian plane there are two mutually perpendicular lines x and y, and value of x and y should be given. So that's why an order pair of real numbers of real numbers x and y is a pair xy in which elements are written in specific order. Specific order, value of x and y should be specific. The value of x can't be value of y, so that's why order pair of the form xy. Order pair will be form of xy and values of x and y are specific. And the point number 3, x y is an order pair in which first element x and second element will be y. So for example, in fourth one point, for example, x order pair xy is not equal to yx, where x is not equal to y. So in second last point, 2 3 and 3 2 are two different things, so that's why it can be equal, but in form of where xy is equal to mn. So if it will be equal if x will be equal to m and y will be equal to m. Now we'll talk about Cartesian plane. A Cartesian plane establish one-to-one correspondence between the set of order pair r multiply r is equal to curly bracket start order pair xy such that x y belong to real number. If x and y belong to real number, then we can draw a Cartesian plane. We can draw the values of xy, because xy is a point which we can draw in Cartesian plane. So these are and the points of the Cartesian plane. As you looking, I have drawn the graph xy. Cartesian plane, I have drawn the point where mutually perpendicular lines meet to each other is known as origin. So mutually perpendicular straight lines known as coordinate axes. So in next lecture I will tell you about the identification of origin and coordinate axes. Okay, Allah Hafiz.